Hi, today in front of me Huawei MatePad SE, and I'll show you the face unlock test on this device. So I just set up my face recognition a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my face just to see how fast this feature is and does it works. So let's just check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. As we can see, face unlock feature just works here so fast and correct. We just unlock the device successfully, so this unlock method works just correct. You can try it. I just wanna try one more thing. I just wanna wear my glasses because I set up my face recognition without the glasses, and now let's just check does this feature works with the glasses. So as we can see, it's also worked correct and unlocked our device successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.